headed to the Phoenix Zoo today to have a fun family day. And we're gonna do some camel rides, and we're going to the Stingray Bay, and we're gonna do the splash pad. So we'll take you along with us. Y'all excited?
Yeah!
All right, see you soon. Here we are at the Phoenix Zoo. Right over there is the Hole in the Rock, which is a really fun place that you can take the family.
So cool.
It's a tiny little hike that takes you right up there
Into the hole,
and you can overlook
all of Phoenix.
yeah, the city. It's really awesome. And
It's
so
like a
it's
5-minute
Really
hike.
cool. That's
yeah,
really dope.
and it's literally right next to the zoo, because here we are.
And we are here. We're walking across the bridge.
Turtles and their shells.
Little turtles out there. Welcome to the Phoenix Zoo.
A medium, yeah, they're not this big as I guess.
Those are gopher snakes.
Gophers.
We're gonna check out Stingray Bay. There's the prices. Come check it out with us. Here's Stingray Bay. There's Paisley and Mommy touching them.
It's a little bit.
Ooh, touch it, Luke. Good job, dude.
Oh, it's slimy gummy bear.
Is that cool, guys? Oh, here comes a big one, dude. He says hi. Is that cool? Is that cool, Luke? You got water on your sister, dude. Here's the safari. Cool little safari that takes you around. They give you a lot of facts.
And much like somebody's groaning really loudly, much more of a...
There's a little howler monkey up
If you
there.
can fall asleep listening to whale sounds, you're going to be staying up all
Yeah,
night.
definitely a cool little thing to add to your trip if you want to take a little break and sit down and drive around the zoo. They have camel rides.
Here they go. They're taking a camel ride together. It is seriously a beautiful day. Look at that one over there. He's resting. The kids love the camel ride. That's one of their favorite parts of the zoo. So cute.
Favorite things for the kids is definitely the rideable. It's a great way to get around the zoo, check out everything, and not have to walk. The giraffes are out today. Here's the zebra. They got the flamingos, and luckily today they have a little baby. There's the Komodo dragon. This is Linza's favorite here. People are cheering her on, but pretty cool animal. Here, hanging out underneath there in the shade. Definitely one of my favorite animals.
I'm looking at you.
A baboon.
How cute.
The warthogs. Just took a little mud bath. Southern white rhino. The king of the jungle, the African lion. Taking a little nap over here. He's just climbing back here somewhere. Looks like he's getting fed. Massive turtles hanging out there with the kids over there. Getting a good view of them. Alligators. See if we can find all 6 of them out here. See any? Oh, we got one back there. We got two over here. One right there. And one right there. Let's see if we see the rest here in a second.
He's hanging out.
He is. He just done it.
Here we are checking out the orangutan.
Look, let's get up on the
How cute. He's just hanging out, chilling. Uh-oh, what's he gonna do? What's he gonna do, guys? Don't, Paisley, sit. Don't scare him. Oh, he's laying down. All right, are y'all gonna show me the cave? All right. This is the cave back here. There's water slides. It's pretty cool. So it looks like there's a slide, a little slide right there. Oh, a tunnel with a hole. Luke. And then, oh, there you are. And then some stairs, be careful. And then go down the slide. And then they can go down the slide. And then you can go back out this way. Oops, sorry, honey. Oh, bridge, back out to the other end. Super fun and perfect for a hot day.
A little sneak preview in October. They're getting some animatronic dinosaurs coming in. This one is Kennosaurus. So come check it out in October.
We just got done at the Phoenix Zoo and we had a lot of fun and we thought it was a really great family day. Did you guys like it?
Yeah!
And we'll definitely be back.
Like, subscribe.
Like and subscribe. Have a great day, everyone.